Alright, so this would be a quick headlight video of the Honda Elevate, and this is how the road looks. And now that's the low beam, that's the high beam. Low, high.
Jimmy and Honey spending money like whatever. Both got it.
And of course the fogs are also on. Let me switch to, I hope you can see the difference. The fogs are also on. So this also has the auto, see, before I could even say it, auto high beam assist. So the car decides when you need the high beam. See, it has gone back to low beam, and it will switch to high beam at its discretion. Since this is a headlight video, I will take charge completely. So this is the high beam. The headlights are actually good. See, I love this high beam. Even the low beam is good. Oh yes, the low beam is terrific. So the good part is, unlike in some other cars, okay, wherein you have to put it on high beam and then, you know, it goes back to low beam automatically and switches back to high beam. On this one, in the Honda Elevate, if you want the high beam, you can, you know, put it on high beam and it will stay there. However, if you have switched to low beam, okay, like, you know, in the city, you should almost always be driving with only the low beam. in all cars. Okay, and the Elevate will decide when you need the high beam. See, this is the low beam, and low beam is terrific, and now the high beam is on automatically. See, I'm not doing anything, it's absolutely on auto. High beam, auto high beam. Low beam automatically. Yeah guys, so that was the long and short of it. I hope you got a good idea about the Honda Elevate's headlights. Okay, and of course this feature, now that it has ADAS. And while at it, let me show this to you as well. Okay, blind spot monitor, and this is always on. Okay, for the left hand side, of course. So I hope you like the video, and please do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.